Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be decoding and actually not decoding but teaching you guys how to read course codes at UTSC. So course codes, I know they exist in high school. I think in high school it was like the three letters would be like the subject, and there'd be a number that would indicate the grade, and then a letter that would indicate if it's academic or applied or university or college level or both. From what I remember, it feels like it's been so long, but I remember in high school it was like I think E and G for U was like English grade 12 university level, right? So course codes aren't like that in uni. They're similar, but the system is a little bit different, right? Like different things represent different things now. So I'm going to teach you how to read those codes, and it'll make your life 100 times easier. Now before we get into the video, make sure you like it. You can like after watching too. Just make sure you like it, hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos every single Sunday, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is @dynamicstudy. It'll be somewhere on the screen. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so in my hands I have a course code, okay? And what I've done is I've written out a course code of an actual course that's offered at UTSC, and I've underlined the different, I guess, sections or different areas of the code that mean different things, right? So starting with this part, actually we'll read the whole code. This code is MATA 36 H3, okay? So starting from this end, this green part, MAT, the first three letters of any course code are going to tell you what subject the course is. So MAT stands for math, okay? In chemistry courses, it's CHM, right? In bio courses, it's BIO, psych courses, PSY, I believe, right? So the first three letters will tell you what the subject is, okay? Okay, so this part of the course code, the letter A that's underlined with this orange highlighter, this part actually represents the level of the course that you were taking. So in this case, it's the letter A, right? So A correlates to a first year course. Okay, so this goes from A to D, A being first year, B second year, C third year, D fourth year, right? So because this is an A level course, it's a first year course, and this is MAT, so it's math, right? So this is a first year math course, okay? Okay, so these numbers that are underlined in purple, in this case 36, these numbers don't really have any significant meaning. They're just there to make sure you can differentiate between different courses that are being offered. So there's another course with a very similar course code, MATA 35, right? It's very similar, but there is a slight difference in the content and in general what the course is about. So these numbers are there just so that you don't mix the courses up, okay? The H that's underlined in blue, yeah, the H that's underlined is blue. This this letter represents the value or the weight or how many credits the course is going to get you, right? So if it says an H, it's worth 0.5 credits. If it's a Y course, it's going to be a 1.0 credit course, okay? So that's what this letter represents here. And finally, you see this number 3 underlined in pink. So this 3 actually represents the campus at which the course is being taken at. 3 represents Scarborough. So because there's a number 3 at the very end of this course code, it means that this course is being taken at UTSC. Alright guys, so that's basically how to read a course code. Now let's go over some terminology that you will come across while looking at course descriptions. So one of them will be a prerequisite. What is a prerequisite? Prerequisite is basically just any courses that you had to have taken before having applied for this course or being enrolled in this course. So as you would expect for many university courses, first year university courses, you would have had to take certain high school courses. Like if you're trying to take calculus in university, you will have had to take grade 12 calculus, right? So that's basically what a prereq is. There's something called a coreq, which is basically like a course you have to take alongside with the course that you are trying to enroll in, right? So I think physics for, what is it called? Physical sciences, so PHYA10, yeah, that's the course code. That course has to be taken alongside MATA 36, right? So those are co-requisites. Alright, so another term that you guys may come across, or definitely will come across, is the term exclusion. And this basically is used to describe courses that are way too similar to each other, and you may not be given the credit for taking courses that are way too similar to each other. So say for example, MATA 35 and MATA 36. They're very, very, very similar courses. So if I was to take MATA 35 and then take MATA 36, I would not get the credit for MATA 36. Another term that you guys may come across is the term breadth requirement. So breadth requirements are basically divisions. So they categorize courses into different categories, right? So say for example, one of the breadth requirements divisions is arts, literature, and language, right? So this is basically any course that falls under that category, right? So at UTSC, you have to take one course from each of the breadth requirement categories. I think there's 5. So there's like arts, literature, and language, natural sciences, history, philosophy, and cultural studies, quantitative reasoning. I think there's one other. But you have to take these like one course from each of them, at least 0.5 credit, in order to graduate. So I think that's something that is good to keep in mind. So you don't have to take these courses in your first year. You can take them whenever you please, but it'll like ease your mind when you're looking at it. Otherwise, it's like a word that you don't know and it'll get you confused. But yeah, so that's all about course codes, terminology related to course codes. You'll get the hang of it once you register for courses and stuff like that, which I think is coming up soon. So good luck with that, guys. And yeah, that's it for the video. So I'll see you guys next week. See you soon.